I have had a lot of different knives over the years. Most of them I no longer have. A couple that I do have are this big one here. I carried this in my pocket for a while. It probably wasn't legal to do so, but here we are. I like carrying knives. I always have. This one is a karambit. At a certain point in my life, I discovered that I kind of liked knives that had a little bit of a playful feature. This type of knife, you can kind of flip it around and move it. But when you do that, it's kind of scary for people that are standing around you. A similar thing with this type of knife, which is a butterfly knife or a balisong. People get kind of freaked out when you do that. I had moved on to a different type of knife because I was tired of having to deal with sharpening blades and that being practical. So I kind of found this knife by Peachy Design, and it's pretty fun. It has a little replaceable blade on there. I enjoyed this for a while, but a problem that I had with it was that I would put it in my pocket, it would kind of get a little bit of dust in there, and then it wouldn't move very well afterwards. I still very much enjoyed it. It's pretty well made. Cool design. I was experimenting with some things, and I found this knife from very much liked design companies. I have a few of their products from CW&T, and they made this wonderful knife, which incorporated a magnet, so it kept things extremely simple. So I liked it a lot. My understanding was that this was a proprietary blade design, and I didn't really care for popping off blades on this either. I always kind of felt like they were gonna shatter and explode in my eyes, although that never happened, and I didn't have any evidence of that ever happening to anyone. But there was still something missing that I couldn't find, and so I made my own. So this is the Clicky Cutter, and it started out as just a very simple knife. I wanted something small, I wanted something tiny, so this started out as a very simple little project. Unintentionally, there was this nice click that came out of it when I made the very first prototype of it. Thousands of edits on the 3D model later, we arrived at what we have here. It allows you to swipe it back and forth. It has a fidgeting aspect, kind of a little bit of a playful thing. It's also nice with this one because it's much less scary than the other larger knives that I've had in the past. You can even click it in your pocket, which is something that I do a lot. So the cool thing about this is that it is 3D printed, and you couldn't really make this any other way. If you tried to machine it, it would be exceptionally difficult and exceptionally expensive. With the components that we've come up with and the materials that we use, it comes together very nicely in this very tiny form factor. That's where we are with the Clicky Cutter.